Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right in manifestation, affirmations, scripting, visualization, but your reality doesn't move? If yes, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest manifestation mistakes that silently block your success and how to fix each one fast. This video could literally be the turning point in your manifestation journey. Let's dive in. Most people say, I want more money, I want love, I want success. But here's the problem. The energy of wanting usually comes from lack, and the universe responds to your vibration, not your words. If you're vibrating, I don't have enough, I'm trying so hard, things never work out for me, then the universe mirrors that back. Instead of I want money, say, I'm open to receiving money from expected and unexpected sources. I'm already in alignment with abundance. Visualize the version of you who already has what you desire. This is called assumption energy, and it's one of the strongest manifestation techniques used by Neville Goddard and high-level manifestors. This is the biggest reason people fail at manifestation. Your conscious mind sets goals, but your subconscious mind controls 95% of your life. So if you say, I am wealthy, but your subconscious screams, no, you're not, you're broke, you have always struggled, then manifestation becomes impossible. Reprogram your subconscious mind daily. Here's how. Affirmation before sleep. This is called theta brainwave state. Second one, visualize for 5 minutes every morning. Third, rewrite your limiting beliefs. Fourth, listen to subliminal, like optional but powerful. It is optional but still powerful. I use this so many times. Example, limiting belief, rewrite, like old belief, money is hard to make. Now your new belief must be, money flows to me easily and consistently. When the subconscious shifts, manifestation happens rapidly. Manifestation is not about sitting and waiting. If you say, I want abundance, but you are avoiding opportunities, not upskilling, not trying new things, then you're blocking your manifestations. A desire without action becomes fantasy. What is one aligned action I can take today to move closer to my desire? This should be the question you should ask yourself daily. Want money? Create value. Want a better body? Go on a walk. Want a business? Research and start small. Want a relationship? Open up socially. The universe moves when you move. This one is tricky. You want something so badly that your entire energy becomes, I need this, I must have this, I'll be miserable if it doesn't come. This creates resistance, a wall between you and your desire. You have to fix this. The detached desire method, I call this. Understand this. You desire it, you believe it's coming, but you don't chase it. You don't consistently check signs. You don't keep looking for results. You don't keep asking when. Detachment communicates, I trust the universe, I am safe. When you detach, your desires chase you. Your vibration is your signal to the universe. If your daily energy is frustration, sadness, boredom, stress, comparison, then your manifestation slows down. Always try to raise your vibration every day. Do things that shift your emotional state, like listen to music, meditate at least for 5 minutes, do the breath work, clean your space, gratitude journaling, go outside, hydrate yourself. My friend, I always tell so many people that who have the same issue that we are not able to manifest. So many people comes to me and ask that why I am not able to manifest. I always see one gap, like one negligence over their body. What I see is they're not hydrate enough. See, our body is 70% of water, as earth is also 70% of water. You have to notice that water content must be there in your body always. So my friends, hydrate yourself, then move your body, read something inspiring. High vibrations means fast manifestations. To make everything extremely easy, do this daily. 1 minute deep breathe, 2 minutes gratitude, 3 minutes visualize the future you, 2 minutes affirmations, 2 minutes one aligned action decision. This 10-minute routine can transform your reality in less than 30 days. I have personally done it. I know this. This is, I call the 10-minute daily manifestation routine. And it's very easy. Now, if this video helped you see where your manifestation might be getting blocked, hit like and subscribe, because this channel is all about helping you manifesting your dream life using real proven techniques, not false promises. Tell me in the comments, which mistake do you think you were making? And if you want a full guided manifestation routine, comment, I want the 30-day manifestation challenge. I'll see you in next video.